Okay, welcome back. So I hope you guys can do the whole process right. Okay, correct. So 我的猫又上来了。Okay, so after you mount with your Google Drive, and then we have to upload the data set to our Google Drive. Okay, so by click with the drive folder name, you will find a folder in drive folder. So my drive. And then you may find a folder name with Core Lab Notebook, this one. And then click this one. And also, please create a new folder under Core Lab Notebooks. Okay, so you can use this more function here with 3 dots, this one. Okay, so create a new folder. So please have a new folder as data. 好，你们就产生一个新的资料夹 name data. Exactly the same name data. Otherwise, you should have your own path for my source code. Okay, so after you create a new folder in your Core Lab Notebook folders, so then we have to upload the data set we just download from UCI Machine Learning Database. So it's the same to check with the data you just created, these folders. And then more function here to upload, 上传你的资料. Okay, you just to upload your data. Since I have uploaded this data already, so I do not resubmit. So you have to do submit your data set. Okay, if you submit the data set ready, so you may find a file here, online retail, with a space between these 2 words. 它中间有一个空格 online 空一格 retail dot ls okay.
Professor, can you repeat one more time? I don't understand the...
How to upload the file?
Yes, the import pandas SPD, that one.
This one?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, so I didn't process this one. I just upload the file you just download. So you have to check first with your folders, Core Lab Notebooks, this one. Did you see these folders?
Yes.
Okay, so you just to create a new folder name with data. Did you do this one?
Yes.
Okay, so after you create the data folder, and then to upload this one, the first one, to upload the file you just download from UCI dataset. This one. Okay, open. So it will upload to your Google Drive with this one. Is it clear? Okay, so when you upload the file So you may run my source code with import pandas as PD. So you just mentioned, okay? So you,
which button should I press to download the online retail file?
this one?
Because you said we have to upload the online retail file from UCI, the file
Yes.
that we have to download. Which one should we press from to download the file?
So in the previous course, so you have to go to the UCI machine learning repository. Did you do this one before?
No, not yet.
Okay, so you have to check. You have to check this website here. Data frame online retail with this one. Here is a hyperlink. So you just copy this one. It's okay?
Okay.
You just copy and have a new browsers, just copy. So you can go to this website, our online retail data set. Is it clear?
Yes.
And you go to the data folder, this one, and you download.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Got it. Got it. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Okay, if you have any questions, so just let me know, okay? I can repeat several times, it's okay. Maybe your questions maybe is the questions for rest of the students. Don't be shy, okay? I just want you guys to know how important for the business analytics, especially for the e-commerce, okay? I would like to interested about this process, okay? So if you have any questions, so just let me know. Okay, did you upload the file?
Yes.
Okay, okay, so did you see the file on your Google Drive?
Yes.
Okay, basically, since I have all the paths for you guys in my source code, this one, right? If later, if you want to analyze your own data set, so you can do the same things to upload the data to your Google Drive, but you have to specify the path for the data set you have to to analyze by this one, okay, by this process, okay? More function here to copy the path, your file path, this one. So you to copy the path and you may get, let me show the path which I just copied. Okay, this path is I just copied. It indicates the path for the data set I'm going to investigate. So how to create a new text file for Jupyter Notebook. So let me do it again. So you may go to this cell, each cell, this one, okay, import pandas as PD, this cell, 这个区间，这个储存格 and so you may, between these two cells, you move your cursors in the middle of the block. So you may find, it may create a text file for you, or maybe you can create a Python source code for you. So right now, I just to create a text file, not a source code for Python. Okay, so it will show a text file area for you. You just copy the path. We just copy. Okay. Okay. So if you name the folder name as my data, so you don't have to change the path. So you just use my source code is okay. Okay, it's time for you guys to check. Did you upload your data set correct or not? Just click this button to run the cell for these 3 instructions. Okay, just click. So right now is running your source code, and right now is reading your Excel file from your Google Drive. It may take some time because it's more than 540 columns, okay, rows you have to import to the server, okay? So it may take some time. OK， 好，你们就按一下那个做执行 ，execute the source code to import the data set to our compiler. So right now I'm running more than 1 minute， 已经超过了1分钟了哈。但是因为资料有很多50多万笔的资料，那我读了2次。I read double times for the data. « 好，先等一下咯，我们就等一等哈。
老师，你可以再说一次吗？
我再说一次，怎么样？你执行了没有？
还没，就是他没有办法执行。
会有红色的出来，是不是？
对对对。
If you cannot run this source code, it maybe you didn't upload your data set correctly. 那你的目录名称是不是跟老师一样，叫做 data？
看一下，my drive.
So yes, drive, your drive, my drive, collab notebooks. So you have to create a new folder. The name exactly the same as my folder's data. It's case sensitive. 大小写有区分，小写的 data, and you upload the files. 好，看看。喂，没事。好，可以的吗，班长？
是哪一个 file 啊 ？Which one？ 你是
说 upload 的吗？
对对对。
upload 是在这里啊，在 UCI 这边，这个 data folder 这边有一个资料集，这边有一个 online retail 点 t_x_lx_ 这个，你有把这个下载下去了吗？Did you download this file?
Not yet.
Okay, so you have to download this file and upload this file from your PC to your Google Drive. Okay?
And what is the name of the
It's the same name, online retail.
I mean, which data sets? The name of the.
On your Google Drive?
就是那个档案的名称是什么？是
就是这个啊，就是等一下，就是这个 online retail 啊，online
它上页它那个
这个
哦 online retail data set
你有到这个网页了吗？
有。
啊，这边有一个 hyperlink， so you just create data folder. Did you find this data set? 看到了没？
我在查，
好，老师先把这一段讲完，好不好
OK，
我讲完，然后你们等一下有问题再问。So if you upload the data set correct, with this one, so you have to see the file name under the folders with data. So when you run, it will import the data set to compiler, 我们的编译器. So it takes maybe more than 2 minutes to upload the file to. If you make any mistake, so you get error message from the compiler. 假如你这边是有红色的一个圆圈的时候，你就有错了啊。那你错很可能是你的档案没有传上去，或者是你的资料集的这个 folder 的 name 跟我不一样啊。这个 folder name 要一样，就都叫做 data. So you can see here is my path for drive. 看到没？我们刚才就是 drive， 然后 my drive, and also Colab notebook, and we just create the folder data, and we upload online retail dot .lx, right? 你要看到这边是对的打勾了就表示都做完了打勾了就做完了。好，做完的时候 you may check does it import correct or not. So
where do we get what website do we go to get the data? Because I'm not finding it.
This one here, data frame online retail.
Okay.
Here. 这边这个。好，看到没？ Just copy this hyperlink.
Okay. Okay.
可以了吗？
Okay. And then.
好，来，我这个 homework 3再assign 一下哈，来 ，If you upload the file to our compiler, so you can check the data set you just upload by click this here. 好 so you may to turn off the index, so you may find the data set here.
And do you download the data folder and the data description?
Let me this one, data folder, and download. There's two pages for the data set. One is data set description, this one. and the other is data folder. You can download the data set. 好，有没有问题？ Okay, so for our homework 3, so you have to copy the result. Let me know. Did you do the right things correct? Okay, so you just make a copy. So you have to show your name, please. Your file name with your name and with 2 green check. 这2个都要打勾的哦。绿色的 check 就表示你有执行。If you just copy my source code, it will not show the green check. 你要是只有执行，你只有 copy 老师的程式的话，不会有这个绿色的这个 check 有绿色的 check 表示你有执行过。This green check it indicates you run my source code successfully. 好，刚开始这边会有一点难就是这边会有一点点过程so 下一次我们再讲其他的案例的时候，你就会更清楚了。Okay, so for our homework 3 today. Did you upload and run your source code? Okay, show me your answers. 好 so I will see your name and these 2 green check 这2个绿色的 double check. Oh yes, 2 minutes for import.好，班长，你做出来了没有？班长听到请回答。
他在跑，
还在跑对对对，只要他在跑，没有红色出来就代表对了因为他大概要执行2分钟好，你第1节课是不是没有进来？
我晚一点才进来，可是我作业都有交。
OK, no problem 你比较忙 OK 没有事跟上进度就好。好，刚好也让其他同学也复习一下。好 ，OK， 我们也谢谢班长了班长帮我蛮多的忙。好，那个 Class B 的班长再赖我一下Class B 的，好，看多少人做完了。OK, 15 students. 好，我们等同学一下